Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to unhide columns in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, scroll down to your project section and open the project where you want to do just that. Then simply, let's say I would hide this assignee column, so I will click on hide column, and now I want to bring it back. So what I will do is to go right here to options and then simply select show hide columns. Now as you can see, everything that is not blue is hidden. So let's see, I want to bring back this assignee, so I will click right here and it will show up right here. If I want to bring back to its starting position, I will have to click on this drop down menu and click on move column, move left. Now I will have to do that again and again, and right here it is. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.